What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn. It is so lovely to meet you. I am buzzing for this video. I have only just gone to B&M. I've come right back, charged my camera for half an hour, and I thought, no, do you know what, 2 bars should do, so I'm going to have to plough through this pretty quickly. But I'm excited. And why am I excited? Because, firstly, I haven't been to B&M in ages, so that's got me on a high anyway, because I just love B&M. Secondly, I have things in this B&M haul. I have things in this B&M haul that are spoilers for upcoming kind of videos, upcoming things that are happening. I am so excited, and I'm not going to tell you what they are. Some of you already know. You'll be able to guess by some of the products in here, but I'm buzzing, so... yeah, if B&M hauls is something that interests you, or you just like my channel and you're interested in the spoilers, then please keep on watching. Let's do the things first that are kind of boring. Right, one of the first things I picked up was this baking tray. It was £2.99 from Betty Crocker. Now I picked this up because it's square and it was going to go at the bottom of the oven to catch any drips. However, I messed up and there's holes on the back of it, so I can't really use it unless I put tin foil underneath it, but it kind of defeats the object, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I picked up a tray. Secondly, I'm super excited for this because I've been after this for ages, not this one, but something similar. So I picked up this, it's a bath caddy kind of thing. It sits on top of the bath and you can put your stuff on it. I picked this one up in particular because it's actually white bamboo. There we go. And the one I've currently got on the bathtub is plastic, but it's kind of falling apart. I don't know, maybe I just put too much stuff on it. But even then, I don't put a lot of stuff on it, so I would actually avoid the plastic ones. And the wooden one feels really sturdy, and this was £10, so, I mean, it competed with the Amazon prices, so I just picked up this one. And hopefully, it will look nice with some candles on it. Let's get all of the spoiler items out first. I basically went on a massive cleaning spree today as well, so let's show you everything I got. Okay, so, as I said, massive cleaning spree. Hopefully the house will look really clean after this. So I got some of the Pink Stuff cream cleaner. I've actually picked this up to use as a second cleaner for the toilet. So I already use bleach, but the bleach I use is clear. And this is going to sound really dumb, but I don't feel like the toilet's clean unless I use something colourful to go in it, so I know exactly where the cleaning products have been. So yeah, I'm going to use it for... hello? I'm going to use it for pretty much the whole bathroom, but mainly the toilet, so after a bleach this will be going in there. I really like the Pink Stuff, it works so well, and I actually cleaned the glass from the inside of the oven yesterday. It was black, covered black, the Pink Stuff and a scraper, it looks brand new. Like, I shit you not. I watched one TikTok and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do that. The oven looks mint. So yeah, Pink Stuff, definitely well worth the money. Next up, we went into the world of Fabulosa because you know me, I freaking love it. So I picked up this, which I've never seen before, but this is Fabulosa Room and Fabric Freshener in the scent Electrify. I have tried my best to smell this and I'm actually not sure how I feel about the scent, so... actually no, that smells quite nice. I wouldn't want too much of it because I think it would give me a bit of a headache, but that does smell quite nice. And this kills 99.9% of bacteria, and I bought this because you can use it on like softies, so I can spray the bed with it, I can spray the curtains, so yeah, picked up one of those. Hopefully it will kill COVID. Next up, we got some Dazzling bathroom spray in the scent Noir. So this was only £1 and it does actually smell really nice, so that smells very strong, but it is nice. Next thing we got is some more Fabulosa. It's only really kind of a small haul, it's the stuff at the end that I'm excited for. So this Fabulosa is all-in-one disinfectant spray which kills 99.9% of bacteria, and it says at the top kills cold and flu viruses, so I'm guessing that's their way of saying this is going to kill COVID particles. And this is in the scent Electrify, so I have already tried to sniff this. I am not sure how I feel about this scent, genuinely. I don't love it, but I also don't hate it, and I can't decide where Like, do I love it or do I hate it? That's the issue. Moving on to some kind of like beauty-ish kind of things, not really. I picked up another of my favourite conditioners. So yeah, my hair's looking a bit ropey right now because I ran out of conditioner a few days ago and I haven't yet bought some. So this is the one that I get. It's the XHC one with argan oil. I really like this conditioner. It's £1 for 300ml. And it genuinely is the nicest conditioner I think I've ever tried. So it makes my hair feel beautiful and I cannot wait to actually wash my hair tonight. Next up, more boring things. So I picked up some Colgate Triple Action mouthwash. Fred actually uses his own mouthwash. It's the Corsadil one and I cannot stand the taste. I absolutely hate it and I ran out of mouthwash a few days ago now, so I'm glad I picked up some more. But yeah, I actually quite like Colgate stuff, and this was £1.49, which is actually really affordable. And then lastly, for the beauty kind of things, I picked up another Legend Long Wear Lasting foundation. If you've been here for a while, you'll know that this is my favourite foundation ever. And from B&M, this is actually £2.99, so not too bad. And if you are new here and you haven't yet seen, this is a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've never tried the Estee Lauder version, but this is by far my favourite foundation of all time, and I'm really glad that I picked up some more. Now we can move on to the things that are spoilers and goodies, and I'm so excited. So if you know what this stuff is for, then please don't comment or anything down below. But if you don't know and I haven't told you what is happening in the next couple of weeks / months, comment down below and have a guess. Just see. I'm so excited. So the first thing I picked up for this is a RAC digital tyre pressure gauge. So, by the way, I already drive and already have a car, that's not a secret. But I picked up this tyre pressure gauge, 2x LR44 batteries included. Oh, that's good. And it goes from 2 to 150 psi. The accuracy is ±1 psi. That's bloody good going, actually. That's good accuracy. And this was only £4, so when you're out and about and you need to check your tyre pressure or you think you might have a puncture or a flat, yeah, I think that's really handy to keep with you, even like in a car or whatnot. I think that's a really handy thing. Next thing I picked up was, okay, so this is RAC again, and I actually got this cone wheel brush. So it's just a cleaning brush to go in your, like, in between your alloys or your steelies or whatever, and proper get in there and scrub out the brake dust. So this was £2.99. It comes with a non-slip rubber handle and it's larger cone shaped brush for deeper cleaning, but it actually feels really sturdy. So yeah, I'm really happy with that for £2.99, to be honest. Next up, RAC again. So I picked up, you can see kind of like a, you can see a theme. I picked up this 2-in-1 wash and mitt set, wash and dry set even. So it comes with two things. Let's actually open this. This was £4.50 and hopefully it's well worth it. So this is the washer. You can pop it on like a little glove and scrub your car or whatnot. And then it also comes with this little like dry towel. Oh wow, that's big. I wasn't expecting it to be that big. It comes with this drying towel as well, so you can actually dry it, because if you don't dry the water off, you can end up with watermarks. So yeah, I got that for £4.50, which I thought was really affordable. And then the last thing, which I've been looking at for forever, even before Christmas I looked at this and I thought I need to buy this, but I didn't. I am so excited. So I'm such a boring person. If this is what excites me, then I don't know how I have friends. So I picked up this gift set for its car wash, basically. It's a huge gift set full of the Carplan Demon stuff, which I do already use for my car. So I've used a couple of things for my car actually, and it's really good stuff in my opinion. So for £20, what you get in here is insane. Let me just open it and show you. Like I said, this is 20 quids. It's all Demon. It's just a huge gift set. So you get a microfiber cloth. You get a sponge. It's just a basic sponge, I think, but you get a yellow sponge. You do get an air freshener, which I'll be using in my car. And then the actual cleaning products. So we get some fast wheel cleaner, and this is a 1 litre bottle, so for 20 quid it's so cheap. So some fast wheel cleaner, You get some Snow Foam car shampoo, so I think I might look into getting a jet wash, like a pressure washer. I don't know yet. Then you get, what one's this? Active Super Cleaner for interior and exterior use. So you can use this on the inside or the outside of your car / your vehicle. And actually on the back it says you can use this on 4x4s, bikes, quad bikes and marine stuff. So that's handy to know. Then you get Demon Shine Instant Shine. So you just spray this on like your, oh, what's happened? So you can just spray this on like the chassis and it will just shine it up like you've waxed it. Probably wouldn't use this all the time, but if you need a quick clean car, how cool is that? And then it's all shiny. Oh, and then lastly, which is what I'm really excited for as well. Oh, I'm excited for everything, to be honest. I'm just excited in general, but I really do like using stuff like this. This is for wet look tyres, so you can clean, with this set, you can clean the entire, let's say you have a car, you can clean the entire car, the inside, the outside, you can do the alloys. Then, after you've done all of that, you can even do your rubber tyres and make them look shiny. Why would you not want that? You can drive about looking like you've just come out of a washing machine. So I am buzzed, I'm so excited and I'm really glad I picked that up. Yeah. Like I said, it's kind of a developing theme towards the end. Have a guess down below what is happening in the next couple of weeks / months, and we're going to be having quite a few really, in my opinion, exciting videos. I haven't been this excited for something in a very long time, so yeah, I'm buzzed, I cannot wait. And that is it. It's kind of a small haul. I really hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you. Anyway guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new and you have not yet done so, maybe consider subscribing. I think I'm 10 subscribers away from my yearly goal. My yearly goal was 1,500. I didn't want to push myself too far. I thought 1,500, that's probably a good goal. Yeah, I'm 10 away and it's not even May. So thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed to me. Thank you beyond words. I really appreciate it. It's meant the world to me. Stay safe guys, stay happy, stay smiling, remember that you are loved and you are worth it, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye. Ugh, reach!